Today we are going to do Jumping Cat on Scratch. This is the project which we are going to make today, Jumping Cat, and I'm going to show you how it works. And let's make it. Delete the cat and go to Paint a Sprite and pick the square and change its color, any color you want. And draw a square for the ground, not a square, rectangle, and duplicate it 3 times. Then go to paint option here and change any color you want and keep here some dots. Do the same for all. And go to code and take a green flag option and go to control and take a forever block. Then go to looks and take this change costume and keep it here and see whether it's working like this. And also set the position to 0. And it should work like this. Now go to choose a sprite and scroll down and take this cat and keep it here and set its position. Also keep a green flag on top of it. Then take this block and under it keep a forever block, not a forever block. Repeat block 2 times and keep there 7. Inside it keep change y by 3 and in the other one keep it by -3 and see whether it's working like this. It's not jumping high, so increase this. Still it's not jumping high, so again change it here. And still also it's not jumping high, so change here to 10. And it should jump this much high. Also keep a weight block in middle here. Then go to paint a sprite and take the square and set its color to green to make a cactus. Then go to code. Here set its position. Also reduce its size to 50. And keep it in the position you want, and take this block and keep it. Also keep a green flag option here. And here keep a forever block and an if block. Then go to motion and take this move 5 steps. Not 5 steps, minus 5 steps. Inside the if block, keep if touch edge. Then duplicate this block at the top here. And keep this block here and see whether it's working like this. Then here in this green flag option, keep a forever block. Then keep an if block and keep a touch mouse pointer and keep it to sprite 2, this cactus. Also you have to duplicate this 2 times. And go here and take a OR block and keep this here and take another if touching. And keep here sprite 3, the other cactus. Then it should broadcast a message like game over. And click OK. Then go to paint a sprite and take this text and choose here pixels and draw game over. Also change its size big. Then go to code and in this game over, go to event and take this green flag and I review game over. In the green flag, go to looks and take hide and keep it here, and in the other one, show. So when we touch the cactus, game over, but it's not stopping. So here, go to control and scroll down and take the stop all and keep it here and see whether it's stopping when it touch. You can also change its backdrop. You can choose a backdrop or paint a backdrop. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon.